In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy something from the Supercell store with Apple gift card. So to do this, you will need to redeem your Apple gift card in the Apple App Store. So from the Apple App Store, press your profile in the top right-hand side corner of the screen. Go down to redeem gift card or code. Here it will give us two options. We can either use the camera to scan it, or we can enter the code manually. Once you have done that, money will be put onto your Apple Pay system. After that, we can go into the game and purchase something. So say I want to buy this Brawl Pass. It will take us to Apple Pay. And from here, if you have the Apple gift card redeemed, it will take the money from your Apple gift card before it takes money out from your account. So that is how you buy something from the Supercell store with Apple gift card. Hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.